The ECOVACS DEEBOT X9 Pro offers a hands-free cleaning experience combining powerful vacuuming and mopping with advanced AI navigation for effortless home maintenance. The innovative OZMO Roller ensures a fresh mop every time, preventing the spread of dirty water and leaving your floors spotless and odor-free. With an impressive 16,600 Pascal suction, the DEEBOT X9 Pro provides exceptional carpet cleaning, effectively removing deep-seated dust, pet hair, and debris. The ZeroTangle 3.0 technology prevents hair from wrapping around the brushes, making it an ideal choice for pet owners. The triple lift system intelligently adapts to different surfaces, ensuring the mop is lifted on carpets to prevent them from getting wet and maximizing cleaning efficiency. Featuring a comprehensive omni station, the DEEBOT X9 Pro handles maintenance tasks like auto-refilling and cleaning solution dispensing, allowing up to 150 days of hands-free operation.